Welcome to the poker series in Nottingham, and we have Rob. He's the owner of Dusk and Dawn. Thank you so much for having us.
No problem. This is the first time we've done a festival here. We've never done something with so many mixed events. Interesting to see some different faces here. Some of our locals have joined in, but definitely a lot of new faces.
Thank you so much. And we have a lot of players coming from Norway, Sweden, just around the Europe. And for a lot of people, it's the first time here in DTD, and they're loving it.
Well, DTD is a very poker-focused club, and it's always done well with the Norwegians. We've got a long history with them. We have the Norwegian Championships here, and we have a lot of friends in the Nordics. So hopefully they'll have a good time, and the main event will do okay, and we can do it again next year.
We will, and actually we have big schedule of different games, as we said, not only Hold'em but also Omaha, mixed games, horse, which is amazing. And thank you so much for hosting our event in your casino. It's really amazing. Thank you so much.
No, Frankie and the guys that run the festival, they're good friends with a good friend of mine, Neil Barrett, and I think they arranged it through Neil. And they're very keen on promoting poker, and I think it'll do okay this week.
We will. We have a lot of players still coming today and tomorrow, and we will smash it. We will.
Okay, good luck.
We will. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.